The GH-18 hydraulic flex arm isn't just any flex arm, it's the essence of ambition. With its accommodating 73 inches of reach, you'll always find it reaching for new heights. And though it has the torque capacity to tap up to 5/8, it's had the power to tap into the hearts of tool operators around the world. Now, we'll unfortunately be discontinuing this specific model, but while supplies last, save up to $1,000 off your very own GH-18 FlexArm package. For more promo details and exclusive offers, visit us at flexmachinetools.com.